Hello everybody and welcome to the Joy of Trucking. Today we're picking up a live load and talking about history. Welcome to Erie, Pennsylvania. Please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't give up the ship. 44 degrees here. Industrial buildings. I like the red brick. I think some of these are for rent. I think they could be turned into some really nice clubs. I love it when they revitalize the industrial parts of cities. Lots of potential. There's an event center. Turned into apartment buildings. So much potential for these beautiful old buildings. Evan, who are we looking for?
It's called Accuride. Picking up some parts for a Kenworth factory in Mexico. Accuride. I wonder what they make. It's gonna be a light load, so it's probably not doors or frames or engines or anything like that. Maybe it's all light bulbs, seat cushions, you know?
Yeah.
Accuride.
0.1 miles to 42.13.
Get your Accuride cushion
80535
in your Kenworth.
W on the right.
We got 2 miles to go. Right through downtown Erie. You need to look up that expression, don't give up the ship. If I recall, from a naval battle on Lake Erie during the War of 1812.
Ah, yes, that's the story.
Yeah.
That's right.
And that was the expression that the captain used when they thought the ship was going to sink or something.
No. They held against the British forces.
Yeah, and the American captain said, "Don't give up the ship," as he died, and then they won the battle or something. That was where the expression came from, was that battle.
On Lake Erie.
Yeah.
Yes. But that story was riddled with holes. We'll have to get you the full story.
Sorry, look it up. My memory isn't what it used to be.
That's because you're concentrating.
The trouble with the War of 1812 was it wasn't that memorable a war because there was a lot of small battles and skirmishes, and at the end of the war, nobody had gained anything.
I'm sorry. On the Canadian side, that is a very memorable war.
Because they
actually came all the way to Washington,
Yeah.
D.C. and burnt down the White House.
Yeah.
So.
And we saw a battle reenactment on the 4th of July in 2015. It was 200 years since that battle.
Yes.
And it was the Battle of the Chippewa Creek, just south of Niagara Falls, and the Americans crossed over at Fort Erie and then advanced north toward Niagara Falls. There was quite a battle there, and we saw it reenacted with different units. It was notable because West Point cadets were at that battle as a fighting force, and at the time they had these gray sort of work clothes that they used in the battle, and that became the gray uniform for West Point cadets afterwards.
Yes.
And and then after that, the Americans advanced up to Niagara Falls and trashed the whole town.
Yeah.
But after all that, they went back to New York State, hadn't really accomplished anything. They didn't take territory. They just vandalized a lot of stuff. A lot of people got shot.
Yeah, and the other thing about the War of 1812, a very important thing that came out of it, is the national anthem.
Right.
Yeah. Without the War of 1812, we wouldn't have that national anthem. We'd be singing some other.
We'd be singing Yankee
song.
Doodle.
Maybe.
Which was a British drinking song, actually.
Yeah. Hey, speaking of Canada, here's another Tim Hortons.
They're invading again.
Oh, yeah. Taking over slowly.
This is dripping in maple syrup.
Dripping in maple syrup and Timbits. Timbits! tried your Timmy's, try it out. Give Tim Hortons a chance.
Best darn coffee
In all of Canada. All of the trucks. Wow, look at these
1
low
mile,
trees.
42.13
Yeah.
50 and 805.
So this is like when we were driving to the Richmond drop yard and I said, who planted all these little trees right on the side of the road underneath the electric wires? That's what happens. Here, look at that poor tree. Look, it's like folding
Angel wings.
winged arms around the electric on the other side too.
Saw a lot of that.
Urban planning, hello.
Dude, it's massive.
So, all other towns, don't do that. Richmond, Virginia, stop doing that. Don't plant your trees on the side of the road under the electric wires. Not a good idea.
Look how close these two houses are. And the front door right here in the corner.
Oh, yeah. But it's not a duplex. Everybody's got their own house.
I think there are windows in between there facing each other.
They can pass things back and forth.
Watching each other get dressed in the morning. Right?
Whoop, whoop.
Ambulance.
Oh, he wasn't very loud. Oh, we have arrived at
Sign.
Accuride.
Yep.
Oh, it's big. No
Big
trucks
old
there.
factory.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the suspension systems.
Oh, well, something that keeps the ride accurate. What
Steering.
does that? Steering, maybe some kind of a steering system.
Joe's
It's
carpets.
big. Wow, that's if you get the fuzzy thing on your steering wheel. That's what the carpet guy is doing there. He makes the nice little steering wheel covers with the fuzzy carpet. There's still no trucks there.
Approaching
No, no, no.
42.13325
Says no trucks.
8053520
No,
W on the right.
Can't go in there. Oh my goodness,
Shipping
there.
and receiving.
Yes.
Way
East shipping and receiving. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Whoa. It's a little confusing having the sign on the far side.
And it goes around back to that parking lot.
Yeah.
Trucks.
Oh, big place. I see a truck there
For the
waiting.
office now. Back up. To one of
Don't
those
go in
docks.
that.
Don't turn around in there.
Don't back up into there. No trucks this side, no trucks this side. Okay, you gotta drive on the left. We can do that. We're from St. Croix. We know how to drive on the left.
Behind this guy.
Ah, that's interesting. Why no trucks on this side?
That's where they store their trailers.
Okay,
Careful getting out here. There's a small
you have arrived. There's the receiving office over there.
Stop driving.
Stop driving.
Yard move.
Yard moves.
At the shipper.
We have arrived.
Messages. You've arrived. You've arrived. Workflow. You've arrived. Now I need my professional trucker equipment.
Heading back down the other way because apparently this is not where we are supposed to go. They have two shipping offices here. So we're heading back to the other end. Okay.
Trouble is, can you see these cars coming at you? Now that truck's gonna be in my way. I can take his nose off.
Don't do that. I remember we were here and it said no right turn on red. When we were coming over this bridge. East Avenue.
Yeah.
East 12th Street. Okay. Okay, we'll figure it out for you, Werner drivers, or anybody else who has to come here. We'll let you know.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you with that.
Yes. Don't give up the truck. Did you get my reference? Did you get it?
Oh, yeah.
Got it?
Oh.
Yeah. So that red building with the gray door right there, that's the shipping office that you need to go to. And here's door number 1, 2, or 3. And this guy just pulled in. We're gonna get door number 2. What's behind door number 2, you wonder? Let's find out. Right after this commercial from Lake City Power Systems.
Oh, not even close.
Uh-oh. It didn't take out the hedge, so that was good. Into the corner. Kevin jumped out and opened the doors, checked how he was lined up. Did not adjust the tandems here because we're staying hooked up to the trailer. So the trailer can rest on the tractor. Wow. Did you just do that so smoothly again? Twice in one morning. It's not even noon and you've done that twice. What a guy, that Kevin. Wow.
Just bumped the dock and got back in the truck, and now we're shaking and a rattling. I guess they were sitting there waiting for something to do.
Yeah, that was like not even 30 seconds. Darn, I thought we were going to have a nice break, lounge around on the bunk, make videos, have lunch, go for a walk. Because those are the benefits of having live loads. We're usually annoyed to have them, but recently we've been thinking about the benefits of live loads. But today, wow, they're quick, and it's only 9,000 pounds, so we'll see what they're putting in there. Hopefully the bill of lading will tell us, because I always like to know what it is we're transporting. All right, and now Kevin immediately, quick as a bunny, on to planning the route.
How do you spell Columbus?
What?
Yeah, 4060.
Okay. Where are we going?
Columbus, Ohio, 4060 Perimeter Drive. It's our drop yard near the junction of 270 and 70 on the west side of Columbus.
Last time we were there, it was snowing. But this time I have the right footwear.
Yeah, you're ready to tromp around in that yard.
That's right. Okay.
And-
Well done, Kevin. Hey, why don't we finish this video here? So if you guys enjoyed coming along and, you know, you're keen, you're ready.
Now?
Yeah. Okay, well, if you liked the video,
Now?
give it a thumbs up. You can put any comments or questions below. And please do hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And you can also share these videos on share. And with that, we wish you a good day. With love, from Kevin and Tanya.
Thanks for coming.
Bye. Don't give up the truck. And thank you, frontline workers.